to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make a ginger rice pudding with mandarin oranges. I love rice pudding. I usually make it with apricot and pistachios, but today I wanted to make it with some ginger. I wanna boost my immune system. Everybody's coming down with the ills. So in the winter, it's great to add ingredients that our immune system needs, and ginger is one of those. So I've got fresh ginger and also gonna put candied ginger as well. So I have most of my mise en place ready. We've got 2/3 of a cup of our Carolina long grain rice, 4 cups of milk. I'm gonna measure out the rest of our sugar and show you how to make this.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
So first step, we gotta get our rice cooking. So we are gonna add 1.5 cups of water to our pot and add the 2/3 of a cup or 5 ounces of rice. And we wanna get that going, we wanna bring it to a boil. So let's stir that around, and over medium-high heat, I'm gonna let it come to a boil. Now to the water, I'm gonna add this 2-inch piece of garlic, fresh garlic that I just peeled, and we're gonna put that in there and let the flavor permeate all of that water and make the rice taste wonderful. Once it's come to a rapid boil, you're gonna lower the heat and bring it down to a simmer. So as soon as you notice that the water has steamed off and been absorbed by the rice, now we're gonna add in our 4 cups of milk. All right, so regular whole milk. I mean, if you really want, you could do it with 2% milk if you want to reduce some of the fat. I do not recommend using skim or fat-free milk, however, for this. I've never tried it with almond milk though, so if somebody wants to try it with almond milk, please let me know on our YouTube channel in the comments how it comes out if you want to try it with that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this back up to a boil and then simmer it while stirring continuously. So at this point you have to kind of pay attention to the pot and keep simmering it and stirring it until this begins to thicken. So we stir this for about a half hour with the milk in it, and you can see how thick it's getting. So once you see it's at this point, we're gonna add in our golden raisins and our 3 ounces or 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Get that all stirred in and stir. And continue to thicken until you reach your desired thickness. And then we're gonna add in our candied ginger and vanilla. So here you can see the raisins have plumped up and it's still continuing to thicken. So we're gonna add in our 1 tablespoon of finely chopped candied ginger, and that's gonna flavor it so beautifully. And then we're also gonna add in 1 tablespoon of our vanilla. There we go. Get that in and cook it for 5 more minutes and then turn it off. And as it cools, it'll even thicken some more. Now, if you ever have it so that it's gotten too thick, just add in some more milk and thin it out, however you prefer it. This can be served warm or even cold. Here it is, our beautiful ginger rice pudding. And now we're gonna garnish it with our mandarin oranges. Just put however many you want on the top. And this will add a nice brightness and acidity to it to balance out the sweetness of all the sugar that's in there. I can't wait to try it. This is so good. So anyhow, I hope it inspires you to make it at home. This is absolutely delicious. Of course, I already tried it, but it's absolutely delicious. And I hope you check out more of our recipes on our YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.